In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Make.com. This integration can streamline your scheduling and automate various processes, making your workflow much more efficient. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, ensure you're logged into your Calendly account. This is essential because we'll be managing your event scheduling directly from there. Once you're logged in, go ahead and log into your Make.com account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process. After you've logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click a scenario in the Scenario Editor. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now let's add the Calendly module to your scenario. In the Scenario Editor, look for an Add button. This will allow you to add different modules for various applications. When you click that, a search bar will appear. Type in Calendly. Make sure to select the verified official version when it pops up. This ensures you're using the right integration with the most accurate features. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. This is a crucial step as it specifies what action will kick off your scenario. For instance, you might want to automate tasks when an invitee schedules a meeting or cancels one. Selecting the right trigger will establish the foundation of your workflow, so think about what fits best for your needs. Once you've selected your trigger event, a pop-up window will appear for you to configure the webhook and connection. To proceed, click on Create a webhook. Next, hit the Create a Connection option. This is where you'll be following the on-screen prompts to authenticate your Calendly account. You'll typically be asked to log in again or provide some permissions to ensure Make.com can access your Calendly data securely. After connecting, you'll need to enter some additional details. This step is to customize your integration further. Here, you'll fill in your required information and select your notification preferences. For example, you might want notifications for when an invitee is created or canceled. It really depends on what you require. Additionally, make sure to fill in your organization and user URI correctly. These identifiers help make sure that the integration is completely tailored to your specific account settings. Don't forget the final step. Click the Save button to lock in your integration settings. Taking this step is vital. Otherwise, all your hard work might not be saved. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Make.com. Now you can leverage this integration to create smoother processes, automate reminders, and manage your scheduling much more efficiently. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, please consider subscribing for more content like this.